I am deeply grateful to Swami for this beautiful opportunity to connect with him through music. Let us now learn the bhajans together with love and devotion in our hearts. So, yes, glad to teach 2 bhajans today. And the first one is, both are in Lord Subramanya. The first one, Karunamaya Kartikeya. So I'm just going to sing the full bhajan first, then I'll start teaching. So I'll just sing the bhajans right now. It is in scale G sharp or 5.5 pancham. If you are really comfortable with the scale, then you can either try in 6 or 8 after learning the bhajans. Karunamaya Kartikeya, Karunamaya Kartikeya, Kaivalyadata Shri Sainata, Kaivalyadata Shri Sainata. Karunamaya Kartikeya, Himagiri Nandini Priya Kumara, Himagiri Nandini Priya Kumara, Iha Parasugadai Bhavabhayahara, Iha Parasukadai Bhavabhayahara, Sharanagata Priya Shanmukanada, Sharanagata Priya Shanmukanada, Sharanam Sharanam Shambhukumara, Sharanam Sharanam Shambhukumara. Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu Kumara, 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 Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu Kumara. So I think that's the very first bhajan. So I think Sujana will be repeating the bhajans. So Sujana, I'll be breaking these lines into small chunks, so it'll be easier for you to learn, as well as whoever is following me, will be easier. Okay. This scale, are you comfortable with? G sharp.
G sharp. Probably just towards the end, I might in the last 3 lines. Okay. The last line probably will be higher, but I can try G sharp, yes.
Definitely. I'll just teach you in the lower octave with those 3, the highest lines, okay?
Sure.
Karunamaya,
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 Kartikeya,
Kartikeya,
Karunamaya, Kartikeya,
Karunamaya, Kartikeya.
So some people sing this, the beginning, I normally sing this bhajan. On the beat, I start Karunamaya. Some people sing Karunamaya. That is also fine, okay? Whatever that you are comfortable with, you can do that. Karunamaya, Kartikeya
Karunamaya Kartikeya
Kaivalya
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 Data
Data
He Swami
He Swami
Natha
Natha
Kaivalya. Make it simple. Kaivalya.
Kaivalya
Kaivalya.
Kaivalya
Data.
Data
Ye Swaminatha.
Swaminatha
Karunamaya.
Karunamaya
Karti.
Karti
Keya.
Keya.
After 2 lines, you go back to the first line again. Okay. Hemagiri Nandini.
Giri Nandini
Hemagiri
Himagiri
Nandi.
Nandi
Ni.
Ni
Can try.
Ni
Hemagiri Nandini.
Himagiri Nandini
Priya
Priya
Kumara.
Kumara
Kumara.
Kumara
Good. Iha para.
Iha para
Iha para.
Iha para
Iha para.
Iha para
Mukadai.
Sukhadai
Bhavabhayahara.
Bhavabhayahara
Iha para sugadai.
Iha para sukhadai
Bhavabhayahara.
Bhavabhayahara
Sharanagata priya.
Sharanagata priya
Shanmukanada.
Shanmukhanatha
Sharanagata priya. Shanmukanada.
Sharanagata priya Shanmukhanatha
Sharanam.
Sharanam
Sharanam. Shambhukumara.
Shambhukumara
Sharanam. Sharanam.
Sharanam
Shambhukumara.
Shambhukumara
I'm going to just go over again. The second line, some people sing Kaivalya Data Shri Swaminatha or Kaivalya Data He Swaminatha or Kaivalya Data Shri Sai Natha. Okay. So you can either this line as Hey Swaminatha or Sri Sainatha also write. Okay. I'm going to just teach you again. How are you? How do you like these bhajans so far?
It's very beautiful.
Okay, you are just singing very nicely. Be confident. Okay, so just don't try to analyze yourself. Just sing. Okay. Karunamaya Kartikeya.
Karunamaya Kartikeya.
Nice. Kaivalyadata Shri Sainatha.
Kaivalyadata Shri Swaminatha.
Karunamaya Kartikeya.
Karunamaya Kartikeya.
Himagiri Nandini Priya Kumara.
Priya Kumara.
Himagiri Nandini Priya Kumara.
Priya Kumara.
Iha Parasukadai
Iha Parasukadai.
Bhavabhayahara.
Bhavabhayahara.
Sharanagata Priya Shanmuganada.
Sharanagata Priya Shanmukhanatha.
Sharanagata Priya Shanmuganada.
Sharanagata Priya Shanmukhanatha.
Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu Kumara.
Sharanam Shambhukumara.
Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu Kumara.
Sharanam Sharanam Shambhukumara.
Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu
Shambhu
Kumara.
Kumara.
Nice. The next two lines, I mean variations of Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu Kumara, that comes right after second speed. Okay, so I'll be teaching that also now. Sharanam Sharanam
Sharanam Sharanam
Shambhu Kumara.
Shambhukumara.
Sharanam Sharanam
Sharanam Sharanam
Shambhu Kumara.
Shambhukumara.
Next one, I'm going to try the lower octave. Sharanam Sharanam
Sharanam Sharanam
Sharanam Sharanam
Sharanam Sharanam
Shambhu Kumara.
Shambhukumara.
Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu Kumara.
Sharanam Sharanam Shambhukumara.
That is right. Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu Kumara.
Sharanam Sharanam Shambhukumara.
Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu Kumara.
Sharanam Sharanam Shambhukumara.
Sharanam
Sharanam Sharanam
Shambhu Kumara.
Shambhukumara.
Karunamaya
Karunamaya
Karti
Karti
Keya.
Keya.
Nice. I just want you to try that variation also. It came out good. Okay.
Yes.
Are you comfortable with this bhajans?
Yes.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
can try.
Can you please try?
Yes.
Yes.
Karunamaya Kartikeya Kaivalyadata Shri Sainatha Karunamaya Kartikeya Himagiri Nandini Priya Kumara Iha para sukhadai bhavabhayahara Sharanagata priya Shanmukhanatha Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu Kumara Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu Kumara Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu Kumara Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu I just want the second and the third variation.
That's good. Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu Kumara. First one was nice. Sharanam Sharanam. You sang up to that perfectly fine. Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu Kumara.
Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu Kumara.
That's it. Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu Kumara.
Sharanam Sharanam Shambhu Kumara.
Very nice. So, more than anything else, that when you sing, you are really, we are communicating with Swami. That's how I always think. So, the feel of the song, the bhajan is very important. So, it was very nice because when you were singing, I was just listening to you. I didn't pay attention to the details. Okay, that is later on, that skeleton, if you get it, then all these nuances, small decorative things, you can add-ons, you can do it later. It's whenever that you feel like. Okay, very nice.
Thank you.
Good
Thank you
job.
so much. Thank you.